Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, welcome aboard. We are all about using some seriously cool AI tech to make technical analysis easier. Today we are going to be diving into SUI. What is SUI? Well, imagine a brand new highway system designed specifically for information on the blockchain. This highway is SUI, pronounced SUI, I believe. And it's supposed to be faster, smoother, and safer than existing options. SUI is a new blockchain platform designed to handle information on cryptocurrency transactions much faster and more efficiently than some existing systems. Because faster transactions mean quicker trade confirmations and potentially lower fees. Think of it like rush hour traffic on a normal road compared to a ZP Express lane. SUI uses a unique approach to data storage and processing that allows for these faster speeds. Imagine specially lane for different type of vehicles, payment, contracts, etc. to avoid congestion. Well, SUI is not quite here yet. SUI is still under development, but is generating a lot of interest because of its potential benefits. However, let's jump into the chart. And what I want to check actually is if SUI is a good investment or if today it's a good time to invest in SUI. However, we will not do today a technical analysis, but we will do a project analysis. And let's see how we can do that using 3P. Firstly, we need to take a picture of a broader image of the chart. I believe that's good, so let's download the picture. Remember that depending on the quality of the picture of the chart, the AI, the 3P AI will provide you better results. However, you can also add some drawing on your chart, but that will also influence the result. And now let's jump into the site. Good, so we are here on our website. We don't check traders today, we check investors. Project check, yeah, we want to see if SUI is good to invest in today. We just upload the picture. Here it says like this, high time frame, because we need, as I said, to use a higher time frame. Upload a chart with a wider time range. This big picture view should include smaller candlestick to capture all major trends, support, resistance levels, and potential trend lines. And here, if we click, we can see an example. Let's click on it, and that's a sample. SUI, let's pick SUI here. We click on it, it is selected. I will take profit within 1 year. Yeah, just 1 year, it's enough for me. Twitter followers. Now you can click here, you have shortcuts to the website that they are published. So we have the website, we have Twitter and Discord. However, let's click on Twitter. We have 681, let's see, 682 K followers. Good. And what about Discord? Oh, that's impressive. Members 635. Let's keep it like this. And online 29. Good. And now we click analyze and wait for the result to come. Here on this page you also have this option called take profit, where you can mention the price you invested in the asset, the coin you want to pick, and the website is meant to provide you an opinion if now it's a good time to take profit or not. We have the results, so let's check them out. The overall market condition indicate that there has been significant volatility in the price action of SUI, with a substantial peak and a corrective phase that followed. The market seems to be in a downtrend from the recent high, noting the successive lower highs and lower lows pattern. Indeed, the price action is below both the exponential moving averages on the chart suggesting that the short-term trend is bullish. The exponential moving averages seems to be acting as dynamic resistance level bending downwards, which confirm the bearish sentiment. There is evidence of volatility as price has seen sharp rallies and pullbacks. The longer wicks on some candlesticks indicate rejection at certain price level, which suggests indecision in the market. Let's see this on the chart. Alright, so the AI is talking about these points here. We have many. The relative straight index is hovering near 35-36. Yeah, that's correct, which is not in the overbought or oversold territory, but closer to the oversold zone. This could indicate that the selling pressure might be waning, although it is not conclusive evidence of a trend reversal. Yes, indeed. Based on the historical price action, there could be a support level around 0.80. 0.80. So it recognizes 0.80 as being support. Let me put it on the chart. Alright, so this one was recognized as support. Okay, maybe next one, but we are still on this zone here. That is our main support. The recent resistance could be around 1.60, which is right here. Okay. Let me see. Around this zone. I'm curious why it is considered like that, because I would go with 1.443 maybe. Maybe I will keep this on the chart and keep an eye on it. Maybe the AI knows something that I don't. Where the price has faced rejections recently. I think you are blind or something. Alright, project analysis. Holds a market cap, SUI holds a market cap rank of 55 out of 10,000, which shows it's relatively well positioned in the market. A large total supply with only a portion currently circulating could imply potential price dilution when more coins enter their circulation. That's correct. If they can add more, if they don't have all the coins in the market, that could make the price to go lower. The project market cap stands at around 1.7 billion, suggesting a mid-sized project with a possibility for growth. Indeed, a fully diluted market cap of over 13 billion indicates a larger potential valuation if the total supply were in circulation, which needs to be factored into a long-term valuation. Considering the social media following, SUI has significant community size, which can impact market sentiment and potential adoption rates. Alright, risk assessment. The moderate RSI indicates that while the asset isn't excessively overbought or oversold, there is still risk due to the ongoing downtrend. The large difference between circulating and total supply poses a risk for potential future inflation of the token supply. Volatility and lower trading volume suggest caution trading if considering short-term position. Investment perspective. SUI might be a risky investment for 1 year time frame, considering the current downtrend and the significant difference between the circulating and total supply. Exit strategy. Look for trend reversal indicators such as bullish chart patterns or break above key exponential moving averages for potential exit points. It's important to monitor developments with the price, project and the broader market for any significant changes. And let's see, we have the cryptocurrency is highly resilient and has favorable prospect. We have here our own scoring system, and the SUI got noted with 8. If we click on it, we have here few details about accessibility index. The accessibility index evaluate how easy the accessibility index evaluate the easy with which a cryptocurrency can be accessed and traded across different exchanges. It is calculated by multiplying the number of market pairs in the cryptocurrency is listed on by the ratio of its circulating supply and total supply. So if SUI have pairs like SUI Bitcoin, SUI Ethereum and others, that's actually plus the supply, the circulating supply, it's getting this tree here. Token distribution ratio. The token distribution metric provides insight into the distribution of a cryptocurrency token by comparing its market capitalization to its fully diluted market capitalization. So we have an 8.5. Popularity, it's 8. Popularity, it's coin market cap rank. So if it's ranked on the top 100, it's better for everything. Liquidity score, it's about the circulating. It's about the trading volume within the 24 hours. And for each of these, you can click here and see some in-depth details. Risk, we have a reasonably high risk, and reward, it's low based on our, again, data. Reasonably high is right here, and let's see, low on our scale, it's right here. So, and the total score is 6.7, which is quite strange because here we have an 8. I will check that the website to see why I get this one. Anyway, the resolution we have here is this one. So investment in SUI, it's quite risky because of what was mentioned here. Yeah, the fact that not all the coins are in circulation, and few things like 1 year. It's not SUI is not a good fit for 1 year investment, but could be for 2 or 3. And based on the risk reward that scoring we have, I wouldn't invest in that, let's say. However, ladies and gentlemen, if you want such a analyze, you can just simply access the website, upload the chart, select the coin, input some data, click here, and you have the analyze. And today I would also want to have a personal opinion about what I see on the chart. So let's take a look. The volume wasn't that bad during this period, which could mean that people invested into SUI prior to this period, possibly having some more insights that we have. Afterwards, we see the RSI on the oversold area. A bad sign, I can consider the fact that we are under the 200 moving averages. But I want to check also the weekly time frame. Before doing this, I just noticed something, so I want to make the highlight. I see here a support zone, which is very interesting because it was firstly created here, but after a long period of time, after 81 days, the investors and the traders still consider it, which makes it strong support. And right now we are just retesting it and see that we consolidate in this period. And by consolidate, I mean that we are staying here for a period of time. Now let's jump into the weekly time frame here. Yeah, the volume is much clearer here, and we can see that the line, let me click, the line, the 50 moving averages just started to the exponential moving average actually just started to be created. However, it seems to come into this area, which may let us the conclusion that we will consolidate here for a few weeks, and at a point when the price will reach this level, we can see a skyrocket effect. What about Fibonacci level? Let's see if we put it here from the lowest point till the high peak. We see that the golden pocket is in this zone 0.5, but also 0.6 is considered golden pocket. And check this out, it's exactly on this support zone, which means it's a perfect moment to buy right now, considering the technical analysis, definitely. On 4-hour time frame, we see the downtrend here, the breakout happens. We make a pause in going even lower than this point, and we are consolidating here. even this trend, break, we can consider above and consolidate here. However, there are two scenarios, like always. We break either above, and then we target the moon, or the other way around, we go diving into the dust. Now, what would be the take profit levels, let's say? If you wanna act simple, you can definitely take profit on each support, on each resistance zone. Here, 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 and definitely here. But I like using Fibonacci for taking profits, so I will come here, and it seems that the golden pocket is around this area. So 1.7 would be my first take profit level, and then the second one would be here on the top. Afterwards, we come to the 2.8 level. I would say actually 3, because 3.0 would act as a psychological level. So probably here would be the point where we can totally exit this if nothing will appear on the market that will make us decide to go even further than this. But realistically speaking, this point offers 145% win, which it's decent if you are not looking for tens or hundreds of x of multipliers over the night, which is hard to believe that strong assets or projects like SUI will develop. It's very unlikely to happen for projects that are on the top 50 or 100 on CoinMarketCap to develop such a price level. But that's a general assumption. This is a general view, not that there aren't exceptions for the rule. So we know that the history tells us that this happens time to time. But the idea is not to focus on exceptional cases, because we cannot find that exceptional case. However, we look at a broader view, so we focus on gaining value or income, or simply said, to make money, but in a safer way. If crypto would be a safe place, I mean, not that it's not, but it's volatile. So basically what I'm saying is we have like levels of risk that we take. So we try to have a very good risk, making the reward also very good for us. It's been a pleasure talking with you. Thank you for following me until this point. Ladies, gentlemen, I wish you a wonderful rest of the day.